Hey, so this is my third HTML tutorial now, and last time we just made a simple pink flamingo page with a couple of buttons linking to Google and Facebook. So today I'm just going to be teaching you more ways you can link CSS into your HTML files. Like before we did, this is external. It just means that you use a different file like we did there, style CSS. But another way you can do it is if you just stay in the head tag up here and then actually write a style tag and define the type as text CSS, just like we did here. And then in you just write CSS like you did in that file. So let's say paragraph, I don't know, color green. This is gonna overwrite what's in there. So we go. Say change to green, and well, another way you could do it is if you write style within the actual head tag, within the tag there, and then just write the CSS in there. But obviously you don't need to declare what you're writing for because you're already inside the tag. Like so, say font family Arial. You can have a look online to see what fonts are available. You can get them off Google and just link it within there. It tells you how to do that from their font website. So it changed. If you look really closely, you can see it did change. So we're also going to change the size so you can see a bit better. So font size. Now this goes by pixels. So I think like the screen is like 900 and something pixels long. You have to look at that yourself. So you just do it relative to that. But I would say 40 pixels. Oh, I'd say we want it to the right of the screen. Text align right. Always finish with that semicolon. Boom. Okay, so next thing we're going to be talking about is classes and IDs. Now, an ID can be used for only one thing, but a class can be used for however many you want. So, say H1, but instead of like automatically taking it from the style sheet we did last time, we'll put class and we'll just name it heading. Class heading. So now we'll come up here into the internal CSS, and if it's a class, you put a dot in front of it, and then whatever you name the class. So heading. Also, we'll change this one to the color red. And text align center. Save. There we go. See, it also took things I didn't declare. It still take that. It doesn't overwrite anything that I haven't like declared within here. So because we said background for the head and heading 1 is green, it'll still set that. So say background color blue. Let's see, now it overwrites it. So the other thing is pretty similar. I have another paragraph, but this time we'll name the ID ID paragraph. And then up here, instead of doing a dot, the only difference is you do a hashtag. So hashtag para. Yeah, that should have worked. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to be going over today. Next time I'll probably go over div. Well, nah, screw it, we'll go over divs right now. So divs is just a way to control everything within it, so different to section it off a bit. So if I had a div here, just write whatever I wanted in there, blah blah blah, and then say we wanted to apply, if we had more like divs but with the same thing, we'll put just making a class, div class 1, or yeah, just div class 1. Okay. So we want that font size is bigger again. 100 pixels. Save. There. That's even bigger again. So you should be able to do like quite a lot with that for a basic web page. So just give it a go, try and do it. Like, feel free to Google. Like, W3 is a very good website to learn stuff like this on. The next tutorial I'm going to be going over JavaScript, just an introduction and a little bit what you can use it for, etc. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. I'll see you next time.